Hey Dios, your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Panty down. Link in description. Welcome to our detailed guide on replacing the battery and filters of your Dyson V8 vacuum cleaner. This process is essential for maintaining optimal performance and longevity of your device. Let's get started with the tools you'll need. You will require a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a replacement battery, and new filters. Make sure you have these handy before we dive in. First, ensure your Dyson V8 is unplugged and completely powered off. Safety is paramount. Begin by removing the main body from the wand. To do this, press the red button located on the wand and pull it away from the main unit. This will give you better access to the battery compartment. Next, locate the battery release button on the back of the vacuum. Press this button and slide the battery out. If you find this step challenging, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so don't hesitate to reach out. Now, let's focus on the filters. The Dyson V8 has two filters. One located at the back of the motor, and another in the cyclone assembly. To access the first filter, simply twist and pull it out. For the cyclone filter, you'll need to remove the cyclone assembly by pressing the release button and pulling it away from the main body. This may require a bit of force, but it should come off without too much hassle. Once you have both filters out, it's time to clean them. Rinse them under cold water until the water runs clear. Avoid using any deodorants or soaps, as these can damage the filters. Allow them to dry completely for at least 24 hours before reinserting them. If you need new filters, we can assist with that as well. Now, let's install the new battery. Slide the replacement battery into the compartment until you hear a click. Insert it securely in place. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you can have your Dyson serviced without any hassle. Reattach cyclone assembly by lining it with the main body and pushing it back into place until it clicks. Then, insert the first filter back into the motor housing, ensuring it's seated properly. It's crucial to make sure both filters are correctly installed to maintain the vacuum's efficiency. Finally, reattach the wand to the main body. You should hear a click when it's securely in place. Before you start using your Dyson V8 again, it's a good idea to check that everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, remember we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs up front. And there you have it. You've successfully replaced the battery and cleaned the filters of your Dyson V8. Regular maintenance like this will keep your vacuum running smoothly for years to come. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to contact us. Happy cleaning! Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.